Become a successful salesperson with these simple tips. The world of affiliate marketing is very vast and exciting. There are so many ways that one can enter and use their knowledge of this field to help promote their own business. It depends completely on the individual. That said, no matter what your marketing skills are, here are some tips to help you. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. Use content marketing to sell affiliate products. Most people will not buy a product through an affiliate link without any prior information about the product or what it can do for them. To increase future sales, send potential customers to an authority website where you regularly provide helpful advice related to the niche your affiliate product falls into. Include your affiliate link on the site. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, choose items that sell for high prices over low-priced products. While this seems counterproductive at first, the effort it takes to market each of these items is the same, so it makes more sense to promote a product that will earn you more. Affiliate marketing is a fascinating and exciting world that is only limited by the extent of a person's product and budget. There are many possibilities, products, and techniques. Start experimenting to find something new for yourself or to learn something new that you can better for your business. Become a better affiliate marketer by using these tips. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.